What's up, food soulmates? Today we are making simple yet delicious stuffed capsicums topped with melted cheese and tomato sauce. For this recipe you will need 6 large capsicums, 500 grams of lean beef mince, 2 cups of uncooked rice, 600 ml of tomato puree, 1 large onion, 1 large carrot, 1 tablespoon of Italian herbs, a 1/4 cup cream, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 cup grated cheese. Dice the onion into small pieces. Cut the top of all the capsicums and carefully take out the seeds and membranes with the spoon. Do not discard capsicum tops. We will use them in the sauce. Grate the carrot on a coarse grater. Dice the tops of the capsicum that were cut off into small pieces. In a bowl, combine tomato puree with the diced capsicums. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and sprinkle some of the Italian herbs. Mix well. Heat up the oil in a pan. Add onions and fry, stirring until they become soft. Add grated carrots and continue frying for a few minutes. Add mince and start breaking it into small pieces to promote even cooking. Add spices and season to taste with salt and pepper. After a few more minutes, add several tablespoons of sauce mixture. Continue frying until all of the mince is cooked and you do not see pink pieces anymore. Cook the rice with your favorite method, and at this point, add cooked rice to the frying pan. Once everything is mixed thoroughly, you can turn off the heat. Stuff all of the capsicums with the rice and mince mixture. Since the rice is already cooked, you can fill it to the top. The rice will not expand anymore. Place all of the capsicums in an oven-proof dish or Dutch oven. Pour in all of the tomato sauce in between and on top of the capsicums. Pour in the cream. Set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Cook the capsicums in the oven for an hour with the lid closed. After an hour, sprinkle the grated cheese and continue cooking for another 15 minutes or so, watching closely to make sure cheese does not burn. Serve the capsicums on a plate, pour tomato sauce over and top with a dollop of sour cream or mayonnaise. Enjoy, and if you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe.